Hey, you guys. So this month with the Reader slime, which is an absolutely beautiful slime, is definitely one of our favorites this month. It comes with a fun focal bead, and that's where the name came from, the Reader. Really cute focal bead. And it comes with this cute little fortune teller miracle fish. And the directions are on the back. And so you take the fish that's inside this and you put it on your palm, and whatever the fish does, it'll tell you, based here, moving tail, and it'll tell you how you're feeling. So let's see how we are feeling today. Here's our little fish. Put it on our hand, and it rolled up. So rolls up entirely. We are passionate, and that we are about slime. Have a slime-tastic day.